Welcome, family. In today's knowledge, let's talk about ways to make your pregnancy a happier one. Right from the moment you find out you're pregnant to the moment you hold your baby in your arms, pregnancy is a roller coaster of emotions. On some days you feel like the happiest woman ever, on others, you can't wait to feel like yourself again. Pregnancy is definitely challenging, but there are simple ways to make your pregnancy a happier one. Bask in that pregnancy glow and make the most of your baby bump with these easy steps. Watch till the end to know better and understand more. Watch my playlists for lots of educative and informative questions you might have about fertility, pregnancy, healthy tips, and many more. Please subscribe if you haven't, like and share with families and friends. Pregnancy can be difficult, but knowing how to stay cheerful can make a load of difference. Is pregnancy always happy? Before you start comparing your pregnancy journey to other moms, remember that every woman is different. There is no right or wrong to feel a certain way during pregnancy. While many women love the feeling throughout, many others also struggle with their varying emotions. Both are completely normal. Studies have shown that external, social factors can impact the way a woman feels during pregnancy. Some factors that play an important role here are whether or not your pregnancy was intended, your financial situation, the nature of your relationship with the father of the baby, your age, and any pre-existing mental or physical conditions. Women have an easier, happier time being pregnant when they're surrounded by people who love and care for them, have authentic relationships with their friends and partners, and are comforted when they feel distressed. You do well to remember that the best thing for you is to take your pregnancy one day at a time. Behind all those photos of to-be moms with their glowing bellies is the tiredness of morning sickness, the flashes of emotions, and so much else. Your body goes through some massive changes during pregnancy, and it isn't easy to feel your best throughout. So, pamper yourself. Buy yourself some maternity dresses and outfits, and go for a spa to feel good. Decide to sleep in late, and take an extra long shower if it helps you. Nap without guilt, and put your feet up whenever you feel like it. Doing small indulgences is one of the guaranteed ways to make your pregnancy a happier one, as it can help you get that little boost of happiness. Buying yourself some nice maternity clothes can help you enjoy your pregnancy. Start something new. Pregnancy can be the best time for you to start something new. One of the things a lot of expectant mothers like to do is to start eating healthy to have a healthy pregnancy. As it is, you're bound to change a lot of your usual diet, swapping out foods for healthier alternatives. Piggyback off of this to inculcate a healthy eating habit. Maybe one meal a day can be a filling, healthy salad, or maybe you can have a healthy smoothie a day. Another thing you can explore is to start a hobby. Of course, it goes without saying that whatever you decide to do must be healthy enough for you and your baby. This means nothing strenuous and physical. Instead, take up something like crocheting or sketching. It doesn't have to be something detailed, and whatever you make needn't turn out perfect. However you choose to start something new is on you. Eventually, the idea is to put your mind to something and to develop a good habit. This can also help you settle into a routine, which in turn brings some stability to your life. Get a prenatal massage. All of us know the relaxing feeling of getting a massage and kneading away all the stress. A prenatal massage is a special massage for expectant mothers. When done right, it can greatly help you. For one, it eases all your muscle stress and helps you cope better with ankle swelling and back pain. Secondly, it helps to improve your blood circulation and acts as a mood booster. We advise you to approach trained professionals who know how to give prenatal massages. This can help you benefit from it the most, and is one of the successful ways to make your pregnancy a happier one. Enjoy the baby bump. You've got a baby bump that is impossible to keep hidden or cover up, so show it off. You might just end up missing your baby bump post-delivery, or you may be happy to get back to your pre-pregnancy body. Either way, this is the best time for you to enjoy your baby bump. Take regular photos of your baby bump, either one every day or one every week, to document its growth during pregnancy. You can make this fun by dressing up differently for each one, or by holding a fruit or object that is similar to the size of the baby in your body. You can also take a maternity photo shoot with your partner. Taking a fun photo shoot with your family can help you keep your spirits up. As your baby grows, they'll become more and more active. Place a bean on your moving belly and watch the fun as it wobbles around with your baby's movements. Wear a t-shirt with a "Do Not Touch" sign printed across your bump if you're tired of people touching it. How you choose to have fun with your baby bump is on you, but remember to enjoy it for as long as it lasts for a happier pregnancy. Start journaling. Going through pregnancy can sometimes leave you with a whirlwind of thoughts and feelings. You can and should keep communicating these feelings with people around you, like your partner, parents, and friends. But a good way to go through it day to day is to start journaling. You can start off by simply making it a point to make a journal entry every time you're overwhelmed. Exceedingly happy, super low, tired, and frustrated? Jot it down in the journal. Take this a step further if you want to by journaling for 15 minutes every day. Alternatively, you can choose to write down every happy moment and feeling of your pregnancy. You can also stick a photo of your first ultrasound in the journal, or jot down important dates. Remember, this is your journal. You get to choose what and when you write in it. Journaling can help you stay on top of your feelings and emotions, and is one of the relatively simpler ways to make your pregnancy a happier one. Bond with your baby. Pregnancy is a journey that you go on along with your little one inside your womb, so remember to bond with them. Surprised? In case you didn't know, you can certainly bond with your baby while being pregnant. There are several ways to do this. Listen to music that makes you happy, read to them, and sing to them. Babies can hear noises from the world outside, and in some cases, will also be able to recognize your voice once they're out in the world. Remembering you have your little one on this journey with you can help you feel a little less lonely and isolated. Make them a part of your day, narrate things out to them, rub your belly to feel them moving, and so on. These small but sweet actions are ways to make your pregnancy a happier one for both you and your baby. Remember, one day these tips will leave you feeling wonderful, and the next you'll feel completely different. Remember that there is no right or wrong about how you feel while pregnant, and that every feeling you have is valid. If you start to feel a little too out of control, do communicate with your partner and friends, and ideally speak to your doctor or therapist. Worrying for your baby is only natural, but you can prepare for that by choosing a good pediatrician. While one will help ease your concerns about your baby's health, the other will help you keep track of growth milestones and vaccine schedules. I hope you find these helpful. Please subscribe for more interesting, evidence-based, educative, and informative videos. Like and share this video. Turn on your notification icon so you can be notified when next I drop a new video. I desire for you good health and long life. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and remain healthy. Peace.